checking a potential client's motivation for wanting to take action is super important when you're setting an appointment for a sales call, especially if you have a principal agent conundrum or paradox, or what's it called? Principal agent problem, I guess, where the person that you are paying is not the person you are servicing, or rather the person paying you. Jeez, it's late. Anyway, so specifically for us, when we speak to a parent, we ask, why are you looking for help for your child now? And then they go and explain what it is. And then we check, okay, have you spoken with them about the idea of it? And that is super important and really helps us avoid a couple of things during the actual sales call, which one classic objection, which, oh, we need to go and discuss this as a family, or like, oh, this is the first time we've really talked about it. So you get that objection out of the way, easy. But the other one is just to find out if this is a client that you'd actually want to have and you would actually want to take on. Because if you ask them that and they turn around and say, yeah, we have, absolutely hates the idea of it, isn't going to show up, we'll be like, well, okay, you might want to address that before we have this call. Or like, do you want me to help work with you to change his mind? Because if the parent's on your side too, or the principal in this scenario is on your side too, that's really helpful. Actually, I think it's actually the agent, got it wrong around. But anyway, because then you can work together to sell the person that's being served. But it just gives you ammunition to come at it from understanding who knows what, who's making decisions, and whose motivation is the driver that pushes this, and where everyone is in the current cycle of wanting whatever problem you solved. And so if you don't already ask in pre-qualifying when you're appointment setting for your sales calls, check, why are you looking to solve this problem right now? Is a really key one to find out, where are they at? You don't have to go into too much detail. And if it's not the person you're speaking to, if that's not the person you're servicing, then you ask, okay, what about that person? I know you're booking it for them and you'll be paying it for them. That's fine. How do they feel about it? Where are they at? It'll just save you a bit of headache on the backside. There you go. Quick and easy one. Have a great one.